Hey guys, what's up? In a couple of hours 2019 will come to an end, and I just want to show you a small video effect you can do with all the fireworks which will be at the sky. So just take your phone, open the camera app and film from the ego perspective your surroundings and especially the sky. Then take your hand, put it into your picture and just snap. And while you're snapping, also shake a little bit with your camera. Repeat exactly this movement also with your hand at roughly at the same position of the picture at night when all the fireworks will be blowing up, and then you will get this cool effect. It looks like you're changing the sky. And you can also record this first at night when the sky is clear and then record it at 12 o'clock. You don't even need to do it at the same position, it's just important that you see the sky. You can also use different transition effects like I did a couple of years ago. I just recorded the normal sky, then I just took my hand and put it over my lens like this. So at the end of the edit you'll have just two clips, one you've shot at day and one you've shot at the New Year's Eve, or another one you've shot at night with a clear sky. Then you just need to set the cut in the first clip right then when the shaky movement begins and also when you will be snapping. And then cut right next to the second clip where the shaky movement is already there and just cut to this snap right there in the second clip. In this effect it's more important how you film it rather than how you edit it. Just make sure you keep your hand at the same position of the picture in both clips and then it will look good. Whatever, Happy New Year, see ya!